feel like you just can't catch a break? The problem might be on your plate. All right, let's talk protein. You know that thing everyone's always raving about? Turns out, not getting enough of it can really mess with you. First up, swelling. Yep, your feet and ankles puffing up might be screaming, "Feed me protein!" Protein keeps your fluid balance in check, and without enough, you're a balloon. Next, mood swings. Feeling like a roller coaster? Lack of protein means your brain's missing out on key amino acids. Say hello to mood swings and grumpiness. And what about those bad hair days? If your hair's falling out, nails are breaking, and your skin's looking dull, you might need more protein. Keratin, folks, it's what keeps you looking fabulous. Slow healing wounds, weak muscles, and constant fatigue? Yep, protein's got its hands in that too. Oh, and if you're always hungry or craving sugar, your body's begging for protein. So next time you're feeling off, check your plate. Protein might just be the superhero you need. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this.